Mohit Dagar is here from the blue corner.
And alive when the world is asleep, stay awake, the thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. I'm the king, yeah.
His opponent fighting out of the red corner, representing the Combat Fitness Center Mumbai, trained under the coach Sohail Khan with a record of 10 wins and 3 losses. Please welcome Kazim Sheikh.
I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way.
Where the skill beats the strategy and only one executes better. This is Warrior Dream Series 16, the fight night. Here we go.
Another exciting bout. We have Mohit Dagar out of Cross Train and Kazim Sheikh out of CFC. Man, this one's gonna be good. So Mohit has solid and superior jiu-jitsu. And I'll tell you about Kazim. So he's escaped 2 armbars in a single fight, and that's because of his mobility. So let's see if Mohit has accounted that. Both of them gauging some distance. Mohit will look to get on the ground. And there he does it. Such a clean, fluid takedown. Just needs to finish it. Kazim using that long arm to balance and posture up. Great defense, great defense. But still, Mohit proves that he's the superior grappler. He gets down. Kazim's long range and long arms and limbs will really help him in a defensive jiu-jitsu situation. Mohit landing a couple of strikes from the ground. He's getting towards the back. Okay, he has the back. It's a game of patience from this point. Man, Kazim doing a great job. So he knows his strengths perfectly and he's using them to his advantage. He knows those long limbs are going to help him posture up. He's doing just that. But look at Mohit. That body triangle is not getting loose. That's one of the best displays.
सीट बेल्ट डालते रहे सीट बेल्ट बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे आ रहा है गो फॉर राइट हैंड से राइट हैंड निकाल अपना राइट हैंड फ्री कर वहां से
Kazim needs to get those hooks out to get out of this situation.
कोई नहीं लेग लॉक्स नहीं है लोग चल
He's going for a split,
चलना पड़ेगा काजी हां वापस काजी
but I don't think he has the other leg in place.
राइट हैंड फ्री कर अपना हां गुड वन काजी पहले काजी कम ऑन गो और ऊपर उठ झटका मार
Yeah, if Mohit rolls, it's going to be a banana split
या गुड वन
if he gets the other leg.
वापस पीछे कर पैर को पीछे कर वापस ऊपर उठ हां गुड वन
So he lets go of the leg.
निकलेगा काजी वो हां सीट बेल्ट डाल बहुत अच्छे निकल रहे गुड वन 30 सेकंड
Still, that body triangle is secured and strong. Kazim again using those legs to his advantage.
कोई नहीं बहुत
There's a lot of setups for the banana split here.
कम ऑन गो शाबाश बहुत अच्छे 10 सेकंड कम ऑन काजी 10 सेकंड
BJJ guys are definitely going to be enjoying this a lot, I'm sure.
कोई नहीं शाबाश
Yeah, Kazim has a chance of escaping. And the round ends.
I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way.
That's Mr. Durgesh again, owner of X Speed.
I'm the warrior, this is my way.
Let's go. Siddharth, Coach Siddharth in the ring. The keys to victory are pretty simple. For Mohit, he needs to identify Kazim's limb advantage, the limb reach advantage, and then he needs to counter those long limbs because Kazim is being able to posture up. As far as Kazim is concerned, he needs to use a little bit of striking, I would say, to keep Mohit at bay because he knows Mohit is going to go for the takedown. So maybe he can create an uppercut threat.
Come on, go.
Let's go.
Nice one. Yeah, good one. Body da, बहुत अच्छे.
Nice body kick and a head kick.
Right, बहुत अच्छे. Come on, go. Left hand देख उसका left hand देख कासिम. Check करो घुसा. चल कोई नहीं.
Lands a nice overhand.
चल. Nice one कासिम. थक गया कासिम वो.
He's setting up the takedown somehow. Mohit is trying to set that takedown. He's trying to get Kazim to raise his guard and he's going to go down for the takedown. So Kazim has Mohit nicely pinned against the cage. This is the time to get a takedown. Kazim gets a solid slam on Mohit, but slamming Mohit could prove dangerous. He's a jiu-jitsu guy, he's really good with his stuff. So that was a bit of a dangerous situation. But then again, Kazim did well to avoid it. So props to him.
देख हाथ संभाल कासिम हाफ गार्ड लॉक करना उसका हाफ गार्ड लॉक कर उसका इजी अपने को पोस्चर आगे रखना है कासिम अपने को पोस्चर आगे रखना है बहुत अच्छे कासिम पोस्चर आगे रखना है अपने को कम ऑन गो कासिम हां बहुत अच्छे हाफ गार्ड में रख उसको हाफ गार्ड में रख कासिम हाफ गार्ड में रख हाफ गार्ड लॉक कर अप आउट कर उसको हाफ गार्ड लॉक कर कासिम हाफ गार्ड लॉक कर
So Kazim is on top.
हां एम्पाउंडिंग
I think the glove is a bit loose. They fixed it.
चल कम ऑन कासिम हाँ हाफ गार्ड लॉक रखे रख, हाफ गार्ड लॉक रखे रख। हाँ कमन जाओ, उसको केज से हटा, केज से नीचे रख, केज से नीचे ले, वापस नीचे ले उसको, वापस नीचे ले, हाँ वापस नीचे ले, पैर डालने मत दे, पैर डालने मत दे, पैर डालने मत दे, हाँ शाबाश, चल 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 चल, हाँ कमन जाओ, हाँ नाइस वन, नाइस वन, नाइस वन, नाइस वन।
Yeah, Kazim has a good position now.
कमन बैक पे आ काजिम, बैक पे आ, बैक पे आ, हाथ नीचे कर, हाथ नीचे ड्राइव करो, बैक पे हिप्स ले उसकी हिप्स ले काजिम, उसकी हिप्स ले काजिम, उसकी हिप्स ले।
A submission from here would be difficult to transition.
Good one, काजिम।
Yeah, that is the case.
हाँ ये बॉडी नहीं, बहुत अच्छे।
And he escapes. Quick escape. It's an uppercut too. That was a good shot. Really long sprawl by Kazim. Using those limbs to his advantage. That was such a good sprawl. And the round ends. Mohit throwing a couple of good knees.
In the night when the world is asleep, we stay awake and thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems.
So great matchup so far. Both of them doing really well. On the ground especially. Kazim also doing a really good job as well as Mohit. Mohit had a really phenomenal escape in the last round. Let's see how this round plans out. So as of now both are striking. Both are throwing kicks, trying to check. Some good old stand-up going on. Kazim is pressuring with those strikes. So Mohit has Kazim in his corner now. You can see his coach instructing Mohit. Maybe he's going to throw a knee. Yeah, he throws the knee. There's a long sprawl again. Difficult to counter it. Has just a lot of points to distribute his weight. They're against the cage. So Kazim will maybe try to interlock his arms. Yes, he's doing that. Mohit slips out. So both of them are at stand up again. So they resume. Oh, Mohit lands a strong jab. Both of them are striking. It's interesting to see, even though they have BJJ as their strength in this fight, they're striking really well. So they're pretty well-rounded in that department too. You can't say they're like just BJJ guys and can't match up with striking. So both of them are good in both departments. Good sprawl by Mohit. It's really difficult to get Kazim's legs because of the length. So if he sprawls, it is really difficult to pull him close or maybe try to trip him. It's a bit difficult. It's very evident from that fact. But Mohit is still doing a phenomenal job.
Warriors in the night,
And the
we
round
gleam.
commence.
Living life like
And
it's
the
more
round
than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night, we gleam. Living life like it's more than it seems. I'm the king, yeah. I'm the warrior. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way.
After 3 rounds, winner by unanimous decision is the blue corner.
And Mohit wins it. Mohit in the blue corner, Cross Train Club wins it.